Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best hand grippers that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, FitBeast Hand Grip Strengthener Workout Kit. The FitBeast Hand Grip Strengthener Kit is a full bundle that's composed of 5 different tools, allowing you to train various parts of the hand. The greatest highlight here is that this kit is remarkably inexpensive, which makes it a great purchase for someone on a budget, as well as saving you the hassle of buying each of these items separately. The kit features an adjustable hand strengthener, fingers stretcher resistance band, finger exerciser, a grip ring, as well as a stress relief ball. The kit comes in a variety of colors to suit various tastes and offers a wide range of resistance levels, starting from 22 pounds and up to 132 pounds. This means that it's good for beginners and intermediate level training, as it doesn't offer 150 plus pounds resistance like Iron Mind's cock grips. Moreover, while they're great for basic training, don't expect them to last for a long time, as the hand tighter adjustment bolt will lose its tension over the course of long-term use. The FitBeast Hand Grip Kit comes packed with 5 different devices for strengthening grip. A spring-loaded hand gripper is the centerpiece of the kit. The gripper can be adjusted from 22 pounds to 132 pounds, and the handles are ribbed and ergonomically designed for a secure grip. Additionally, FitBeast includes a finger exerciser, grip ring, a finger resistance band. Number 2, FitBeast Hand Grip Strengthener Workout Kit. Looking for a more comprehensive set of tools for grip strength? Want to tackle your wrist, hand and forearm from every angle you can think of? The FitBeast Hand Grip Kit comes packed with 5 different devices for strengthening grip. A spring-loaded hand gripper is the centerpiece of the kit. The gripper can be adjusted from 22 pounds to 132 pounds, and the handles are ribbed and ergonomically designed for a secure grip. Additionally, FitBeast includes a finger exerciser, grip ring, a finger resistance band, and even a stress ball that you can squeeze the crap out of when you are having a bad or frustrating day. The other tools you get are an exerciser for the fingers, a grip strengthening ring, and a resistance band. The 5 items could help improve the strength of the fingers, wrist, hand, and even the elbows when recovering from an injury. They could also be helpful when you want to strengthen your grip for ice or rock climbing. Watch this review video and learn how to use the product. Number 3, Luxon 2-Pack Hand Grip Strengthener Adjustable. This 2-pack from Luxon is a much more affordable version of MummyFit's Death Grip. Sure, it is a little inferior, mainly because it does make that slightly annoying clicking sound every time you squeeze the handles. But that's a really small price to pay considering that you get 2 grippers for 3 times cheaper than the one from MummyFit. Since it gives you 2 of these hand squeezers, you'll be able to work out 2 hands at the same time. Both models incorporate a nice resistance range. You can choose any value between 22 and 110 pounds, so it doesn't matter how strong your grip is, there is always room for improvement, and, with this tool, you'll be able to make that leap. Unlike MummyFit's more expensive counterpart, these grippers incorporate an easy-to-turn dial, so you won't have to twist your wrist every time you feel like changing the resistance. The handles feature a comfy ergonomic grip with non-slip coating. They'll allow you to exercise as hard as you want without putting a strain on your palms or fingers or worrying about dropping the gripper. The plastic housing is easy to clean, and the models are lightweight and compact enough to pop into any bag. Bottom line, these hand strengtheners from Luxon provide you with an affordable way to exercise your forearm muscles and improve your grip strength. The large resistance range makes them great for kids, adults with a weak grip, and fitness enthusiasts with a tight grip. Number 4, GD Iron Grip Hand Grip Strengthener Adjustable. One of the pain in the butt features of hand grippers are their lack of adjustability. If you want to adjust resistance, you generally need to purchase a whole new unit. The GD Iron Grip X90 Hand Grip Strengthener solves this rather elegantly with a premium-priced gripper that can be adjusted from 55 to 198 pounds. The knurled aluminum handles simulate a barbell or dumbbell. The steel compressed spring is adjustable via a small lever on top of the gripper. With the lever engaged, move the spring to point at the level of resistance desired, and off you go. The visual representation of how much you are doing and how much you were doing provides a nice bit of visual feedback on your progress. The versatility doesn't come cheap, with the GD Iron Grip retailing for around $60. But when you factor in that buying a half-dozen individual hand grippers would far exceed that in cost, the GD Iron Grip starts to actually look like an affordable option for improved grip strength. The range of motion is over an inch, and while there are strengtheners with greater resistance, this set should offer more than enough training for the majority of users. The grips are silent, made from aluminum and steel, and are durable. These are the most expensive grips on our list, but because they offer 6 different levels of training and are durable, they won't need replacing often. Number 5 ALMAH Hand Grip Strengthener Kit 5-pack. The ALMAH Hand Grip Strengthener Kit is a set of 5 different hand grip strengtheners. It includes a stress ball, a ring, finger stretcher band, a finger exerciser and an adjustable hand grip strengthener, and the kit costs less than virtually all of the other entries on this list. The grip strengthener is arguably the main item on the list, and, as you would expect for the price of the bundle, it isn't as durable or as well made as the more premium products we've reviewed. It does offer variable tension from 11 pounds to 132 pounds, which will be enough for most first-time users. It has a plastic handle, which can be uncomfortable, but it also has a rep counter so that you can track your hand workouts and determine the progress you're making. If you're unsure of your grip strength and want to know the best type of device for you, this is a handy and inexpensive kit to start your journey. The durable handle comes with a counting function, making it ideal for everyone to exercise with. This video will give you a better insight into the features of the product. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.